Okay, good morning. I'm heading into Xanten now, proper into the little town, get some more coffee. I camped just over there. I'll put a picture of that up on the screen. It was a quiet night, really, quite good. Birds woke up about 5, which was a bit of a pain, but there we are. So I'm going to Xanten, I'm going to Rheinberg, and then through Düsseldorf to my next stop. Yeah, let's see how we go. I don't think it's too bad today. The weather much brighter and much better than it was yesterday, so hopefully we should have a good day's cycling, about 80-85 kilometers. So yeah, I'm going to take you with me and we're going to Xanten. Okay, on the road to Xanten, up a little rise there. It's still really bloody windy, unbelievable. Pushing into the wind again. I don't know if you can get this wind on a microphone. God, really hard going in the wind. Whoa, 18k an hour, that's all. Amazing. Alright, that was Xanten. I'm heading out of Xanten now towards Rheinberg. I've got to go up the road behind me over here, pick up the main road into Rheinberg. Yeah, and see what's there. So yeah, it's about 20k, so I'm on my way there. Me complaining again. It's all very well having those wind turbines, but they're all facing into the wind, which is the direction I'm going. It's quite hard work again. Alright, so now I'm in Rheinberg, and I've been here before on a previous trip along the Rhine when I bought my bike in Düsseldorf and rode it back. And when I was here last time, I stayed in a hotel, Hotel Rheinbeck I think it was called, and it's over there where that piece of ground is. So the hotel's completely gone, so I'm not staying there today. So I'm going to have a little look around the town, have a little drink, and then move on, have a look at the map, move on to the next place, Meurs I think. Alright, so I've stopped in Rheinbeck in the town square. There's a couple of little cafes over there, but as I'm in this little part of Rhineland, I'm going to eat an apple. Okay, that was Rheinberg. Now I'm going on to Meurs, and just got stopped at this little railway crossing because there's a goods train coming very slowly. So I've arrived in Meurs and I'm just riding around the castle park, just having a look. Really lovely place, there's hardly anybody here. Just a little museum behind me, quite cute. Background this way. Alright, so I stopped here in the Schloss Park in Meurs for a bit of lunch. I'm going to check my route on the map and see how far I've got to go. and then probably just this afternoon just take a nice steady easy ride down through Düsseldorf to Monheim am Rhein, where I'm staying tonight. So yeah, looking forward to that, but now time for a bit of lunch. Alright, so just had my lunch, now I'm making my way through the park, trying to find my way out onto the main road. It's going to take me down to Düsseldorf. So yeah, looking forward to that ride. Okay, I'm following Google Maps now. I'm back in the countryside. It's really nice. This road, no cycleway or anything, just riding on the road. Really lovely. So yeah, follow Google Maps for probably 30 or 40 kilometres. Then I should be able to find my way. In 500 metres, turn left onto Asperger Strasse. Just stopped on the cycle route because there's a chimney just over there from some sort of industrial thing, and it just shows you what the wind looks like. Now, smoke from a chimney with no wind goes straight up, and this is horizontal. So that's probably why I keep thinking I'm into some quite solid wind, because every time I turn around broadly in that direction I almost stop. So anyway, going that way, another 4 kilometres, then Google will tell me where to go next. So still plugging away through the Rhineland on the way to Düsseldorf. Google's taking me quite a scenic route, but it seems to be almost in a straight line, which seems fine. So this is the landscape, quite nice. There's Google again, turn left. Just coming up in front of me is one of the long bridges over the Rhine. I think this is the one we're going on into Düsseldorf. You can just about make the top of the towers from here. As you can see, Google has other ideas. I would have probably gone across that bridge if I was following my own directions, but I'm going to follow the Google one so I can see Düsseldorf in the distance, so all good. These trees on the left have been quite amazingly pollarded. Go on for about 1 kilometre or more. Amazing load of work. So I'm getting into downtown Düsseldorf now. I can see the small tower over there on the other riverbank. Oh, bit of cobbles. Try and keep hold of the handlebars. Turn right, then turn left. I'm going straight on. Okay, there's one of the bridges behind me. I can see another one in front of me, and the big TV viewing mast thingy-me-jiggy. I'm not sure which bridge it's taking me over. I've passed about 4 now. It's not said anything about a bridge yet. So let's see how we go. Okay, I thought I'd stop here. I've ridden 70k so far today. Düsseldorf town centre, city centre is behind me. Google's told me to go this way, and then it's changed its mind. So I'm going to go back and over that bridge over there, and that should drop me down into the city centre. And then I'm going to stop for probably 10-15 minute break. So here I am, finally crossing the bridge on the Rhine into Düsseldorf. Absolutely brilliant. madness of the Rhine riverbank, and now I'm winding my way through the streets of Düsseldorf, being guided by Google, with Google watching my every move. I really like this city, but there's not enough time to spend any time here on this tour. Too many things to go and see. Alright, we've got the Rhine on the right hand side now. I've come out of Düsseldorf completely. That was absolute chaos. Yeah, the Google Maps was fine, but it took me through all the wrong streets really. It was a very direct route, but a pretty shit one. So I'm just trying to ride along here, trying to find a campsite. I don't think it's too far away. Okay, back in the countryside, about another 2k to go I think. I've done 85k today in 5 hours. I've lost about 15k to the wind I think in that time. So that's something to think about if you're thinking of doing something like this. Don't just look at the numbers, think about what you might lose to the weather. See what I mean? The Google track is quite literally through this little forest path. Yeah, Google is taking me through this little tiny forest path. I would have never come this way on my own, but then I wouldn't have really known it was here. So that campsite was entirely full, so I've had to come on this small ferry to try and find another one 6 kilometres away. So let's hope they've got somewhere. So then, change of plan. I've crossed on the ferry and I'm heading north. Apparently there's an area up here which has 3 or 4 large camping flats. I can see them on Google Maps, but it remains to be seen if there are any spots. I'm not sure what I'm going to do if I can't find one there. Let's see what happens.